Who's flying in the air? Little brown bear. Who has a lot of hair? Little brown bear.
Whose mood is it there? Little brown bear.
Let's all make a stew out of little brown bear. Little brown bear wears a chicken suit.
Bruh, I can't believe I got my games taken away for chilling with that vegan teacher. Even worse, Mommy humiliated me for eating meat and pretending to be vegan. She eats meat too. In fact, all bears eat meat. But anyways, what should I do while I'm punished? Light bulb. I'm gonna wear a chicken suit today and act a fool around the town. That should be really fun. Yo. I look so fire. Cockle-doodle-doo. Anyways, time for the chicken rampage.
Yo, Railgun, how'd you like that kebab restaurant I took you to?
Dude, those were some of the best kebabs I ever had. Back in Scotland, we only have bangers and mash with sheep. But that was great. I honestly think I'll like Plotagon City.
I'm glad, bro.
Cockle-doodle-doo. I must liberate all KFC fans. Chickens are the best. Cockle-doodle-doo.
Little brown bear, what are you up to now? And why are you in a chicken suit?
I want to show off the cult of chickens, you feel me?
Listen, kid, don't think of fooling around in that thing.
Oh. How dare you disrespect the chickens? Take this.
Ouch! What the hell?
See you, fool.
Oh no, you don't. Hey!
To catch you up, that's my new neighbor, Little Brown Bear. He's basically Caillou's spirit animal.
So he.
Yeah.
And he also.
Oh yeah, he's a brat.
Well then we need to teleport his mom here to stop Little Brown Bear.
Say less. Plotagon logic? Teleport Mrs. Brown Bear here.
What is it? Why am I here? I'm trying to make a steak and vegetables coleslaw to make dinner tonight. What do you want, bruh?
You do know that coleslaw doesn't have steak, right? But anyways, Little Brown Bear is causing trouble. He's dressed up in a chicken suit and he's acting dumb around town. I bet he's at Chuck E. Cheese's right now.
Whoa. I need to stop him. Thanks for telling me. Plotagon logic, teleport me to Little Brown Bear.
Cockle-doodle-doo.
Hey young man, this is a library, not a stage.
Whoa. Little Brown Bear, how dare you wear a chicken suit and act dumb? And also, how dare you slap the librarian? That's it. We're going home.
No.
And I'm burning your chicken suit, since today is blowtorch blowout.
No. I want my chicken suit.
Plotagon logic, teleport us home. You're grounded for 5 days. Go to your room. And give me that chicken suit.
You're horrible, you are.
Today's lesson for the day is don't act a fool in a chicken suit. And I think I'll like Plotagon City.